Hi, my name is Harper Halprin with AAHA Studio. We are an interior design and architecture studio based in Los Angeles, California. Inside this Palisade project, we have an amazing play of volume and space, wonderful light throughout. The client's first thought process of the home was how she wanted everyone to arrive. It was that aha moment when you walk in and you feel like the space just really engulfs you. And so the first thing when you walk in, you have these different vistas that you can either stop and enjoy the view, see outside, or segue into the next amazing room, which is the great room. Come take a look. We wanted a space that felt inviting, but also still could unfold and really you could explore as you move through it. This is the starting point. You walk in, you're greeted at the dining space. It has amazing ceiling details, a lot of millwork throughout, and it really gives a personality and a statement to the space. Over on this area is the kitchen. It was meant to be the show-stopping component of this great room with the chef's island. The marble was really the most important part. It's a beautiful color juxtaposition to the lacquer behind me. It is a beautiful space to enjoy. I mean, who wouldn't want to wash their dishes with this window behind me? To complete this space, you have this amazing living room. You can transition from a wonderful dining experience into the living room for a cozy after drink, sit by the fire, or go out into the adjacent yard, which was a huge part of this house. Really getting that quintessential California indoor-outdoor experience. The outdoor dining be a continuation of the indoor space. The stair leads you to this bridge that looks down onto the entry, and it is this beautiful moment that transitions you into the bedrooms. There are 4 bedrooms in the home, but let's go check out the primary. Once in the primary suite, you were greeted by an amalgamation of amazing materials. You get the same stone from downstairs, you get a lot of the millwork details in the closet, and again, the volume of space and light. So our goal was to get the volume to speak for itself, have a lot of high doors and windows, and really have the indoor-outdoor experience. The idea was that when you lay in bed, you are greeted by the hillside, and the hillside really becomes part of the indoor space. The room is really grounded by this amazing double-sided fireplace, and the idea was that you could enjoy it both from bed as well as from the bathtub. Overall, this project was a complete labor of love with the most amazing team, amazing clients, and it really feels like you are in your own private oasis. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we hope to see you at the next one.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.